everybody. It's the most wonderful time of the year. I love it, love it, love it, love it. And if you haven't finished your holiday shopping, don't worry, because I know a lot of people who haven't. But for me and my family, presents have always been a really memorable part of the holidays, but the true spirit of giving is so much more than that. So today, I'm gonna share with you some of my most memorable gifts/giving memories that I have, and also some different ways that I like to give back during the holidays. Actually, this whole week is dedicated to giving during our holidays with kin. So make sure you check out everybody else's giving stories in the description below. My birthday is December 22nd. I was actually due on Christmas and my mom was like, nope, we're not doing that. So she had me 3 days earlier. And I was always grateful, and I still am always grateful when somebody just remembers to tell me happy birthday because it's so close. I used to get the whole, oh, happy birthday and Merry Christmas. So when I would wake up in the morning and I would see some gifts that were just separate Christmas gifts under the tree, I'd be really, really excited. But my mom and dad did a really good job, and the rest of the family as well. When it came to giving presents, if there was, you know, some cool Barbie or a doll or some clothes or maybe a gift card, different things like that. Totally! You know, my parents did their best to get the things that we actually were like really excited for. And my parents were also extremely giving as well to everybody else in the family too. I grew up always seeing the spirit of giving just exemplified throughout my entire family. After American Idol, I was able to go on tour with Alicia Keys. It was my first tour. And I toured with her all summer of 2008. We took a break. And then they asked me to go on tour in Australia. And I was like, I've never been there. It would be so amazing to go. And it was during December, so during the holidays. And my Nana had, and still has, a pen pal that she has been writing to for 40 years. And at that time, she had never met her. They had never met face to face. So I asked my Nana if she would come to Australia with me. She got to come on tour with me. We climbed the Sydney Harbour Bridge. We got to see the Opera House, and she finally got to meet her pen pal of 40 years. And so that was one of the best gifts that I've pretty much ever given. I performed at the US Open one year. I got to do the national anthem, and my brother's best friend, who's essentially like my younger brother, played tennis for his entire life. He loves Serena Williams, he's obsessed with tennis, and I invited him to come to the US Open, and that was huge for him. Like he absolutely loved it. And for me, I got the biggest kick out of it because I loved knowing that something that he loved so much, he was getting to experience. So I love to do things like that. I love to give gifts that are experiences. I like for, you know, if it's out of the ordinary or something that you wouldn't be able to do on a normal day and I have the opportunity to go or do something like that, I want my friends and family to be able to experience that with me. I'm extremely fortunate to be able to do what I do. I get to go to amazing places, meet amazing people, see incredible things, and when I can share that with anybody else, whether it's, you know, one of my best friends or one of my family members, it's the greatest feeling. But it also helps me realize that what I do, you know, really isn't just a job. It's a really, really special thing that I get to do. So it helps me remember, you know, this is a really special gift that you've been given to be able to experience life this way. So it's a lot of fun to be able to do that. But I like to do homemade gifts too. Some take a lot of preparation, or it could be something as simple as, you know, just a card. But letting people know that you're thinking of them and that you love them is really important. Dana and I have had one Christmas together. And if I'm being completely honest, I don't remember what him and I gave to each other. Although I was pregnant, so I did give him the greatest gift of all, which was our son, DJ. Do you see us? You see you? I see you in there. Ooh. So when it comes to giving, it's really important for Dana and I to teach DJ that it's not just about what you get. It's more about what you give during the holidays. And there are so many different ways that you can give without it just being a wrapped up present, you know? I remember doing shoe boxes at my church where we would fill up a shoebox for kids that were less fortunate. I remember my mom going to this restaurant and getting the equivalent of 20 bucks in coupons, and we would give them to the homeless, you know, that we saw downtown. You can go read to kids, you can plant a Christmas tree, you can help decorate a tree for somebody who is unable to do it themselves. There were different things like that that I just saw growing up that I really, really appreciated, and it really stuck with me. One of the things that we're doing this year is joining up with Toys for Tots. They do amazing work by giving toys to kids across the country who need them. We're gonna be going to our local Toys for Tots location and dropping off some toys, and you guys can do the same thing. Just click the link in the description to donate. Millions of kids are going to be having toys underneath their tree. So you guys, Toys for Tots is a really special organization, and I would definitely encourage you guys, if you're thinking of a different way to give back, do it for Toys for Tots. Kids deserve to have a present under their tree and deserve to feel special, and I think that that's important. So you can donate online, you can donate by mail, you can go to the local drop-off location. There are so many different ways that you can do it. It makes it really, really easy and really simple to bring a smile to a child's face this Christmas. So what are you waiting for? Go do it. I would love to hear about all the ways that you give back during the holidays. Make sure you let me know in the comments below what you guys go do. Give me some good ideas, and make sure you guys watch the other Holidays with Kin videos. They are in the description, in the playlist below. And as always, make sure to subscribe. I'll see you guys later. Merry Christmas.